Ever wonder how a blank page turns into something that looks like it might actually know what it's doing? Welcome to the chaos with a plan. I always start with a sketch. Nothing precious, just lines figuring out where they belong before I commit to anything dramatic. Next comes the underpainting, which is where the real decisions start. I block in the lightest lights and the darkest darks first. Once those are locked down, everything in the middle stops throwing a tantrum. Mid-tones behave a lot better when they know exactly how bright and how moody they're allowed to be. From there, it's layers on layers. More paint, more depth, more quiet adjustments that look small but matter a lot. This is the part where the piece starts breathing on its own. When I'm finally happy with it, and yes, that's a very specific feeling, I scan the painting to make a digital copy. Then I open it up in Photoshop and let myself play. Extra details with brush effects, subtle texture, maybe a shift in color tone if the mood asks for it. Think of it as polishing the magic, not rewriting it. Last step, I upscale everything to 300 dpi so it's crisp, clean, and ready for the world.